Ever heard a sharp metallic knocking sound from your diesel engine? That's engine knock, a warning sign you shouldn't ignore. Common symptoms include rough idling, power loss, and increased exhaust smoke. Causes range from poor fuel quality and incorrect injection timing to worn injectors or carbon buildup. To fix the issue, ensure you use high-quality diesel, regularly service your injectors, and check timing settings. Address carbon deposits with engine cleaners. Ignoring knock can lead to severe engine damage, so act early and keep your diesel running smoothly.